On Friday, the markets absolutely crashed. Equities, indices, cryptocurrencies, risk-on currencies all down. But is it really that bad? And what happened? Using Market's candle analysis tool, we can just click and find out very simply. So here, Trump threatens massive increase on China tariffs over rare earth dispute. Government shutdown enters its third week. Trump cancels plans to meet with Xi Jinping. China implemented new port fees in US shipping and tightened rare earth export controls. Institutional selling accelerated to negative $2.5 billion. So the question on most people's minds right now are we going to see a market crash like we saw with the initial tariffs earlier this year? My answer is no. This crash was driven by global tariffs and a global trade war and massive uncertainty and fear within traders, investors, and the general population. Whereas if we compare the current move and what's actually happening right now, it's isolated to just China. So while yes, this could cause downside and continued pressure, I don't think we're going to see a massive crash. And don't forget, even during this crash, even though we did have massive alarm bells screaming, we had mass panic and mass fear, the S&P corrected very, very quickly and reached new all-time highs very quickly. So I don't think this is a catalyst for mass panic and mass fear again. So in my opinion, this is now an option to just buy lows. And when I say that, I don't mean I'm going massive leverage or full margin, because if we look at this daily time frame, we've had a massive run with very little downside. So this correction was due anyway. So as this market approaches previous supports, moving averages, psychological levels, I will be adding in very, very small positions. And this will be on my CFD account and also on my long-term stock portfolio. Even if we did see another 20% crash, I would continue to buy. If you sold all of your bags during this point, you would have missed out on a 30% move. Don't make the same mistake. Not financial advice.